robot Lucy is to probe the Trojan Asteroids, that is, the asteroids around Jupiter that have recently been found, in search of origins of life on pioneering NASA mission. This is by Svetlana Ekimenko on Sputnik News. This is recently something new that NASA has revealed to us. In 2017, NASA selected low-cost planetary missions called Lucy and Psyche. This is according to its Discovery program. It's attempting to unravel the mysteries of some intriguing asteroids. NASA's robotic Lucy mission, scheduled to visit the asteroids of Jupiter, called Trojan Asteroids. They circle the Sun along Jupiter's path, passing its Critical Design Review CDR October 18. The agency's officials announced during the 4-day CDR, independent experts assessed all aspects of Lucy's design, finally signaling that the mission could proceed to the manufacturing phase. Quote, "This is a very exciting time for us because we're moving beyond the design phase and are really starting to build the spacecraft. It's finally becoming real," unquote. This is what Lucy Principal Investigator Hal Levinson from Southwest Research Institute, Boulder, Colorado, said in his statement October 21st. The term Trojan asteroids, coined when it was decided to name all asteroids discovered at the L4 and L5 points of Jupiter after warriors in the Trojan War, Greek and Trojan respectively. The Trojan asteroids orbit the Sun in two clumps, one ahead of Jupiter, that's the leading swarm, and one behind Jupiter, called the trailing swarm. Scientists believe they are leftover relics from the long-ago formation of the outer planets, as early on the birth of Jupiter prevented any planetary bodies from forming in the gap between Mars and Jupiter. This caused the small objects there to collide with each other and fragment into the asteroids that we see today. Quote, "These primitive bodies hold vital clues to deciphering the history of the solar system, perhaps even the origins of life and organic material on Earth." This is what NASA official Lucy mission description says. So Lucy is set to launch in 2 years, October 2021. It's going to zoom past Earth twice for gravity assists and fly by its first asteroid in April of 2025. The Rock 52246 Donald Johansen, situated in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Lucy will then fly by 4 Trojans in the leading swarm, with a close-up set for August 2017, September 2017, and April 2018, and November 2018. The spacecraft's orbit will bring Lucy back towards the Sun. When it heads outward again, it will be on a trajectory towards the trailing swarm. The probe is to fly past a trailing swarm binary Trojan in March 2033. That's when it wraps up its mission. The mission was named Lucy after the famous 3.2 million year old hominid fossil discovered in Ethiopia in 1974 by anthropologists Donald Johansen and Tom Gray. And just as that find shed light on humanity's origin, it's hoped Lucy spacecraft will offer insights into the early years of the solar system. They said Lucy is part of NASA's Discovery program of low-cost planetary exploration missions, developing budget capped at $450 million, according to NASA. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.